Okay, is everyone ready?
Wait.
Wait.
Ich bin Fernrohr, chill mal. Ich bin Fernrohr.
So fast, bro. Cobra.
Yeah, coming. Oh, finally.
Okay, guys, listen to me. When we actually do TP, we will push. Listen, we will be on the other side. So, do you want to push right side, the train tracks, or do you want to push left side, the electrical area? Where do you want to push for them?
Okay,
Any
give me. I'm coming in.
For them to wait for them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hello.
come to me. Where are you going? Hello?
Hey,
Hello,
Cobra,
yeah.
go back.
Yeah.
Why are you like getting howled?
Okay.
Just stand. Just stand still.
Cobra,
Chill.
just
Okay, guys, start entering. Start entering.
Okay.
Turn down your
Okay.
POVs. Cobra, shut up,
Arey
please.
bro, can you stand still? Are you dumb?
Okay.
Stand still.
POVs on, and enter. And Cobra, please shut your mouth, please. I'm trying to lead here.
Okay.
Keep your POV on and start entering. Everyone enter.
Hello.
Oh,
Guys, make a line, please. Come here and make a line. So we know how many people are here and how many should join. And may drag people from every VC if they are not in this VC. How many are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We need 3 more.
Rudransh and Rishu are still outside.
No, I'm
No, they're
inside, bro.
inside. Rishu, are you inside?
11 is 5. So 3, 3, 6, 9, 11, 12.
Rishu,
Bro,
inside.
enter.
Rishu, where are you?
Rishu won't come. Leave it. Leave it. And listen, guys. Press tab. Keep pressing tab, and then use your mouse to choose assault rifle. Okay, everyone.
For what weapons change, right?
Yes, for weapon change. Switch to assault rifle. How many are they?
They are like 7.
7 to 8. 7 to 8.
We need
More,
more,
more.
bro. Is there anyone? Rudransh, are you inside?
I'm
Rishu सबको
standing
drag
beside
करते
you.
रहे दूसरे BC से. Okay. Okay, guys, listen. We are going to spawn on the opposite side of this. Let's hold the right side.
Right side.
When we spawn, just go to the right.
So we run to right, ne?
When we TP right now, we are going. I'll tell you when to juice, okay? And when we spawn, you will push to the right, and then we'll hold the location and kill these bitches.
Hey, the guy's done juicing.
You just.
No, not right now, bro. We have time. I'll tell you when to juice. Use your 25% when I tell you to juice. Just follow my commands, please.
First
And
juice
give
and then
calls.
go.
Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. Okay, guys. Protection 25% and cocaine. After it's done, drink your 25% attack. Okay. 2, 1, 0. Go to the right. Come on. This side. Follow me. This side. Train tracks. Leave it. That area, I was wrong. Come on, train tracks. Come to
Come
the
to the other side.
hillside.
Come to.
After this is over. Oh, they're on the hill. They're on top of the hill, guys. Shoot. Keep spamming. Take cover. Keep spamming. Come close. You still have 25%. Don't be afraid. Now kill them from here.
Go left. Go left. Bro, how Winston died?